Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add an overlay on CapCut. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and add here my first clip, this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a second. I'm just going to go ahead and put this one here at the top. And after doing so, what I am going to do is just simply make this an overlay. So to do that, you're just going to go ahead and click the clip, and then you're going to head over here to the right, and then you should be seeing an option that says blend. Now, normally you should be seeing it something like this. You can just go over and click this one right here in order to show more options. So again, make sure that it is turned on. Now, for the mode, you can click on it, and then there are different modes here that you can use. I want you to go ahead and choose which one fits the best with your videos. So here I'm just going to go ahead and use screen, for example. All right, and then from here you can go ahead and make adjustments on the opacity. As you can see, the lower the opacity you set it to, it is going to disappear. The moment you increase this one, it's also going to increase itself. So again, go ahead and choose which one you think fits the best with regards to your videos. Now again, everybody, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.